everybody, thank you so much for clicking on this video today. So I just wanted to sit down and talk about one of the benefits of cash envelope stuffing, and that is the amount of change that you get when you start using cash envelopes or just paying for things with cash in general. I have found personally that probably 7 times out of 10 when I'm at the register, if I have change, I throw it into my coin purse and forget about it. Every once in a while, if I go to buy something that I buy on a regular basis and I know the exact amount of change I need, I'll pick it out of my coin purse, but most of the time I don't exactly know how much money after tax my belongings are gonna cost. What that leads me to do at the end of the month is gather up all my change and just have a huge stockpile that is leftover or saved money. I know that there's some investing apps out there. I don't exactly know what they're called, but I'll throw in the name in the corner. They actually allow you to invest the change you have from all your purchases, so your purchase will be rounded up to the nearest dollar, and then whatever amount is the difference between what you spent and the nearest dollar, the app will take that money and invest it for you into stocks of your choosing, or at least put it in your investment account. I personally don't feel like that's a very effective way of investing, and a lot of these investment apps have really high fees. I would prefer just to get my change and save it up at the end of the month and hopefully save up for something exciting. So today in this video, I wanted to show you something that I actually bought long before I ever started cash envelope stuffing, but it's been kind of fun to see it in use. It's actually this framed adventure fund picture frame. You can see just by looking at it, there's like tons of coins in here. Pretty much, I would say a solid like 75% of this is from last month alone. The other 25% is mostly in pennies, and that was just like probably 2 or 3 years worth of pennies I just had collected. But today what I'm going to be doing is filling up these coin wrappers that I bought from Walmart. At the end of this video, we're going to see how much change I accumulated after a month of using cash only. So let's get started. Most of my videos are filmed on my carpet, which is kind of funny, but here's the picture frame. When I lay it down, it looks a lot more full, but we're just going to turn it over and dump all this on the ground, and I am definitely going to vacuum my carpet after this. Alright, so we have all of this change here, guys. This is a lot of money. Wow. So I should probably start splitting this up by quarters, dimes, nickels, pennies, and from there it'll probably be easier to count up. Okay, so here is my stockpile of pennies. Hopefully there's no dimes hidden in there, but I don't think there are. Here is my pile of nickels, not very many. My dimes, that's a fair amount. And then this is my quarters. I feel like that's at least 10 bucks, but we'll see. Okay, well, this is officially 50 pennies. I guess I'm just gonna wrap them. Okay, well, I don't know if it's professional, but that's my end, and this is 50 pennies. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna see if my kitchen scale will tell me, like, if this weighs enough. I'm gonna see how much a roll of 50 cents worth of pennies is supposed to weigh, and then we're gonna weigh it and see if this is accurate. Okay, so I just zeroed out my scale, and I'm gonna see how much it weighs. Not sure how much a roll of pennies is supposed to weigh, but let's find out. Okay, so I just looked it up, and a roll of pennies is supposed to weigh anywhere from 125 grams to 155 grams. So I guess 134 grams is good enough, and we're just gonna keep going. So I will see you guys when I'm finished with all of these. So I counted all of my coins, and I filled up and sealed everything that I possibly could, and here are the results. So of all the things I was able to seal up, we have $1, $2, $3 in pennies, $5 in dimes, and $10 in quarters. What does that make? $18. However, there are several different rolls that I was not able to seal, some of which are very close to being full, but not completely close. So I can tell you right now that this roll, this incomplete roll of quarters, has about $8.50 in it. These dimes maybe like $1. This roll of nickels has about $1 in it, so we have like $2 here, $8 here, so like $10.50, and then this roll of pennies is maybe like halfway full, so like another $10 and maybe 25 cents. So in total, if you add up the $18 here and the $10.25 here, that makes about $28.50. So wow, very surprising. You definitely don't realize how much change you accumulate until you put it all together like this, but I'm definitely going to stick that back inside of my adventure fund frame. I don't really think that this is actually going to fund an adventure. It's definitely going to be something that I continue saving though, and maybe over time I'll find a purpose for this savings. By the way, my seal's very sloppy, but it works. I hope you guys learned something, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye guys.